dear students, myself Gangadhar Solanke, and I welcome you all to the MC James virtual classroom. My dear students, today in EVS part 1, we'll be learning the topic Getting to Know India. Now here on the screen, as you can see, the maps of India, and the heading of our today's topic is Getting to Know India. It means that in our today's topic we are going to learn many things about our country, that is India, and for this we are using different maps, and this one is the first given in our textbook, India major rivers. This map is of rivers in our country. So you people just look at the map which shows the different rivers in India. You must be familiar with the some names of the rivers. They are often mentioned in patriotic songs, and our country is rich with many rivers, mountains and plateaus. So some of them have been showed on the map. What you have to do, which of the names given on the map seem familiar. जैसे आप मैप को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, एक एक रिवर का नाम पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ रिवर तो आपको पता होंगी, किसी पैट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग में या फिर किसी पैट्रियोटिक मूवी सॉन्ग में भी आपने इन रिवर के नामों को सुना होगा. So what you have to do, which of the names given on the map seem familiar, where have you read about them, and on the map encircle the names you know. जिस rivers के नाम आपको पता होंगे उनको आपको क्या करना है, circle करना है. So first of all we'll start it with the Maharashtra state. Here you can see Maharashtra state, and here is the Godavari river, which I know. Then river Ganga, which is very famous and in many patriotic songs also. Then here river Kaveri. So you people observe the map, go through the map and encircle the names of the rivers you know. Then the next thing, this one is the physical map of India, and what you have to do, study the physical map of India carefully and answer the questions. Now the questions are given, altogether 11 questions are there. One by one I'll read the questions and you people try to find out the things which are asked in the questions. The first one, find the mountains and name them. Very first thing, what you have to find in this map, mountains. Find the mountains. Now you people, by using textbook, find the mountains, then name the hills shown on the map. Then find and name the plateau in the map. For example, here is Deccan Plateau. Which rivers originate in the Himalayas? Which rivers originate in the Himalayas and join the Indus? Consider the height and write the direction of their flow. Write the names of the major rivers which flow into the Coromandel coast. Now here is the Coromandel coast here, and what is our question? Write the names of the major rivers which flow into the Coromandel coast. So here Kaveri is the river. Then study the course of the Ganga, Narmada, Vainganga, Godavari and Kaveri rivers and note the slope of the land in each basin and write the direction of the slope. Find the lakes on the map and name them. Then find and name the gulfs and the direction in which they are located with respect to India. Study the water bodies on the three sides of India. Water bodies on the three sides of India, 1, 2 and 3. Study the water bodies on the three sides of India, find their names and write the direction in which they are located. Now here in this side, this one is Arabian Sea, then the Indian Ocean on the second side, and the third one Bay of Bengal. Now you people write the direction in which they are located. Find the Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar island groups and write the names of some of the islands. Now which one we have to find? We have to find Lakshadweep, Andaman and next one Nicobar. So you people just observe the map and try to find it out. So here this one is the Lakshadweep, then go for Andaman and Nicobar. Here on this side, Andaman and Nicobar islands. Now the last question for this map, which river basin is located in the northern plain of India? So with the help of textbook and the given map, you people try to answer these questions. And now few things which we should know about our country India. We learnt about the physical setup of India with the help of the map and the questions given with it. Now our country comprises various rivers, mountains, plateaus, plains, islands, etc. and the Indian subcontinent. First thing which is very important to know about our India, that it is very rich in natural things, like we have rivers, mountains, plateaus, plains and islands. At the same time, the Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water on three sides. Again 1, 2 and 3. Three sides, and tapers towards the south. This one, how it tapers towards the south, and this part is called the Indian Peninsula. This part is called Indian Peninsula. Our northern border is defined by the lofty Himalaya ranges, and our country has forest, plains and deserts. Here now you can see our northern border, which is defined by the lofty Himalaya ranges. Here ये हिमालय रेंजेस है, इसमें और डिटेल में आप और आगे वाली स्टैंडर्ड्स में पढ़ेंगे, बट हियर एक बात याद रखना है कि हिमालय रेंजेस जो है वो नॉर्दर्न में है. इसमें फिर काराकोरम, वेस्टर्न हिमालय, सेंट्रल हिमालय, ईस्टर्न हिमालय, ये सारे उसके पार्ट्स है या फिर टाइप्स हैं. अगेन our country has forests, plains and deserts. The Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert, then the number of forest, this one the northern plain. So these are the basic physical things or the physical setup of our country about which we are talking. The expanse of our country is large and the height above sea level varies and goes up even beyond 8000 meters. अगर हम हाइट की बात करेंगे तो ये 8000 मीटर्स के अबव जाती है. एंड देयरफॉर द वेदर कंडीशंस चेंज फ्रॉम रीजन टू रीजन. एक जगह पे जो एनवायरनमेंट है, एक जगह पे जो वेदर कंडीशंस है वो दूसरी जगह पर नहीं है, वो तीसरी जगह पर नहीं है. इट्स चेंजिंग एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द sea level which varies and goes up even beyond 8,000 meters. So this gives rise to a wide variety of plants, animals and birds. Similarly, there is also a difference in the crops cultivated. Now wheat is a primary crop in the north, rice which is a primary crop in the south and along the coast. Jawar is produced on a large scale in central India. So this diversity has a significant effect on our lifestyle, customs, traditions and culture. Now altogether we can say that our culture is very rich because there is variety in our culture, in our lifestyle, in our customs. जैसे अगर हम पर्टिकुलर महाराष्ट्र की बात करेंगे तो कोकण में जाएंगे तो वहाँ का खाना अलग है, इधर मराठवाड़ा में जाएंगे तो वहाँ का खाना अलग है, विदर्भ में जाएंगे तो वहाँ का खाना अलग है. दिस इज़ द थिंग अबाउट वन स्टेट ओनली. और अगर पूरे देश की बात अगर हम करते हैं तो बहुत सारी वैरायटी हमारे कल्चर में है. वो फिर कपड़े पहनने से लेकर खाने तक और जो हमारी बाकी चीज़ें हैं सेलिब्रेशन की, फेस्टिवल्स की, उन सारी चीज़ों में बहुत ज़्यादा वेरिएशन हमारी कंट्री में दिखता है. सो पीपल ऑफ मेनी डिफरेंट कास्ट्स, ट्राइब्स एंड रिलीजन्स लिव इन आवर country. Number of religions are there, number of castes are there, and the people from different tribal groups are there. But together as Indian, we are living with peace, harmony, and we are maintaining our identity as Indian. We also see differences in food. Just now I talked about this. Clothing and festivals and celebrating in the different regions. Now here you can see the ways of clothing, किस तरह के कपड़े अलग अलग तरह से पहने जाते हैं हमारे देश में. दिस इज़ एज पर रिलीजन. लेकिन अगर हम स्टेट वाइज बात करेंगे तो और उसमें अलग चीज़ें हमें दिखाई देती हैं. जैसे केरला के लोग हैं, उनका कल्चरल क्लोथिंग इज़ डिफरेंट, और महाराष्ट्र है, यहाँ का कल्चरल क्लोथिंग है तो वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रहेगा. सेम थिंग विद द फेस्टिवल्स. नंबर ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स आर देयर, और अलग अलग स्टेट की अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स है, उसकी पहचान है. जैसे ईद फॉर मुस्लिम्स एंड दिवाली इज़ फॉर हिंदूज, देन क्रिसमस इज़ ऑफ क्रिश्चियंस. ऐसे अलग अलग रिलीजन्स के अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स है, अलग अलग रिचुअल्स है. Language, which is one more important characteristic of our country. Many different languages are spoken. In Kashmir it's Kashmiri, in Punjab it's Punjabi, then Gujarati, then Marathi in Maharashtra, Kokani in Maharashtra, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Odia, Hindi, Nepali, Bengali, and the different local languages also. So all together, all these things makes our culture rich. India is a democratic republic and the capital of India is New Delhi. Considering the area, अगर हम एरिया के हिसाब से बात करेंगे तो राजस्थान इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट. हियर यू कैन सी सबसे बड़ा एज पर एरिया राजस्थान स्टेट है. देन इट इज फॉलोड बाय मध्य प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट टू द राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश इज द बिगर वन, एंड देन महाराष्ट्र इज इन द थर्ड प्लेस. पहला हुआ राजस्थान, फिर मध्य प्रदेश, एंड देन महाराष्ट्र इज इन द थर्ड प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द एरिया. Goa is the state with the smallest area. This one very small. here, Goa. You can see Goa and its capital Panji. Here now in this map you can see the states and union territories of our country, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, and also Union Territory. This one is the map, our country India. Now what you have to do with this map, study the political map of India given above and answer the questions. Now the questions: find our state, color it with your favorite color and write the name of its capital. Now our state here it is Maharashtra. आपको इसे कलर करना है और कैपिटल का नाम लिखना है. Which is the northernmost state? Now here you can see the direction. So ये north हुआ ऊपर वाला, तो यहाँ पे northernmost state कौन सा है, that you have to write. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Which is the southernmost state? Now this one is the south direction. So southernmost state कौन सा है, that you have to write. Color the states to the northeast in different colors and write their names and the names of their capitals also. Color the largest state in yellow and circle its capital. Just now we discussed about this. Rajasthan, which is the biggest or the largest state. So you have to color it in yellow color and circle its capital, that is Jaipur. What do the names in red letters show? Names in red letters. Then about this, next one, very interesting map, and you people can have fun with this map. Study this map, observe this map in the textbook, and this map shows some of the crops here. Some of the crops and transport routes in India. So by using this information you have to answer the questions, and the first question is: from where will we obtain saffron and trace the most convenient route? Now saffron you have to find it out. Then in which states is tea grown? Now here in the index you see this one is the symbol of tea, and in which states is tea grown? Here these two you can see. So tea is grown in the state of Sikkim and Assam. Next question: find the route taken to bring clothes into our state and trace it. Now again here this one is the clothes, here clothes, and our question: find the state, find the route taken to bring clothes into our state. So from here this is the route. Find the states in which apples are grown and circle their names. Here now apples. So you people easily can write the names or circle the names of the state which grown apple. Find the route to deliver oranges from Nagpur to Bikaner and trace it. Now here is the Nagpur and the oranges, and now you people find out the route to Bikaner, which is in saffron color. Next one: find a route to deliver coffee and manage to West Bengal and trace it. How will you send onions from Maharashtra to Arunachal Pradesh? So this is quite interesting. You people can have fun with this map. Just do it with your पेरेंट्स और भाई बहन जो भी आपके घर में रहेंगे तो दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ करते हुए लाइक अ गेम, इसमें बहुत मज़ा आता है. सो in this chapter, number of things today we learned or know about India, like the states according to the area, that is Rajasthan. Then next to the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and the Maharashtra, and the smallest, which one is Goa. Then the physical setup of our country, and also the crops and the fruits which grow in our country or in the different parts of our country. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications. So my dear students, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, take care.